Hello children, today we will learn about rectangle shape. We'll learn about rectangle shape. Rectangle. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Rectangle has corner. Corner. Rectangle has sides. Rectangle has sides. Rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. Rectangle shaped chocolate. Rectangle shaped chocolate. Rectangle shaped chocolate. Rectangle shaped envelope. Rectangle shaped envelope. Rectangle shaped envelope. Rectangle shaped 50 rupees note. Rectangle shaped 50 rupees note. Rectangle shaped 50 rupees note. Rectangle shaped radio. Rectangle shaped radio. Rectangle shaped radio. Rectangle shaped mobile. Rectangle shaped mobile. Rectangle shaped mobile. Rectangle shaped suitcase. Rectangle shaped suitcase. Rectangle shaped suitcase. Watch the video again and learn the shape. Thank you, children.